Hey y'all, a good day. Just a quick tutorial. So every time you want to open command line as an administrator, it's a pain in the ass. You have to go through, right click on it and just choose run as administrator. But today I'm going to show you a little trick to make sure that every time you open the command line, it's going to open as administrator. So let's get to it. So go to start, just type in cmd and then let's right click on it and choose open file location. Afterwards you can see that we have gone into the folder that it contains, and then right click again, properties, and then advanced, and see here run as administrator. So once you tick this and press OK, apply, OK. So now every single time you run command line, it's gonna be by default opening as the administrator. Okay, see, administrator command prompt. Okay, have a great time. Bye.